Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to add sub-questions in Google Form. First open your Google Form and select blank form option. And I'm creating a party in my Google Form, so let me put it as a title. So my main question will be, I'm asking guest, can you attend for my party? And first answer will be, yes, I'll be there. And second answer will be, sorry, I can't make it. And let's preview and see how is our main question will be look like. Yes, it's perfect. Let's go back to our main question. And now we're gonna create sub question. So make sure to select the add section and give your sub question here. So I'm asking what for my guest, what will you bringing? And clicking plus mark, and I'm going to add all the questions I'm going to ask. So I'm going to tell them select all the dishes they are bringing. It's going to be checkbox. I'm giving few options here to select for my guest. So our sub question also ready now. Let's preview it. Alright, let's go back. So this is the main part. Make sure to look carefully. So we're gonna connect main question and sub question into one thing. So I'm selecting yes, I'll be there, and selecting these three drops and selecting go section based on answer. From this down facing arrow I'm selecting and selecting the go to section 2. And for sorry I can't make it, I'm selecting submit form. So this is done. Let's preview and see. So you can see our main question. So I'm selecting yes, I'll be there, and next all the dishes I have to bring, so this down here. The next one, sorry I can't make it, and selecting next and just submitting form. So thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel for more helpful videos.